Hey yo, good afternoon. My name is Clarenz and I'm here at GCC and I'm trying to speak in English to you guys because it's hard for me to speak in English, but I'm trying my best to explain to you guys how to write fraction using a diagram because this is our assignment section. So I'm going to explain to you guys. As you can see on the GoPro, I'm gonna draw a diagram. I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be not even, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. So as you can see over here, you guys have two diagram right here. So for example, let's do 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so in order for you to write a fraction on this diagram, you have to count how many rectangles in one column, which is 1 2 3 4. So the 4 is gonna be your denominator. So for the shaded part, so for the shaded part, your numerator is you have to count how many shaded part on the diagram you have. So for example, your shaded part is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 for the shaded part is gonna be your numerator. So that's gonna be 5 over 4. So that's gonna be your fraction for the shaded part. What about the unshaded part, like this 3? So you have to count how many rectangles in one column, which is 4, and then your unshaded is 3. So your unshaded fraction is gonna be you have to count how many rectangles that are not shaded. So for example, 1 2 3. So your numerator is gonna be 3 over 4, and that's how you write a fraction using a diagram. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Reynard Ignacio, and today I'm be turning mixed fractions into improper fractions. So I'm just gonna go straight into it, and don't forget, don't leave your friend in back road. So we have, this is my example, 7 over 2 over 9. So first thing what you have to do to turn a mixed fraction into improper, you would have to times these two. This is what I like to do a lot. I put arrows to know what to do. So but times, you have to times the whole number with the denominator, and after you get the answer from that, you do that and you get the answer. So the answer, just say it's gonna be x right now, and you're gonna add it to here. So there you go, you're gonna add that to there. You're gonna add the total to your numerator. So let's go do this. 7 times 9, that's gonna be 63, and so that's your total. So you're gonna add your total to the numerator. So 63 plus 2 is going to be 65. Now, what a lot of people get confused is, where do you get your denominator for the improper fraction? The denominator is always going to be the same denominator as your in your mixed fraction, so it's always going to be 9. So you're going to have 65 over 9, and that's your improper fraction. So hey again guys, it's Reynard Ignacio, and we're going to do another mixed fractions to improper fractions. So I'm going to do it on the board, but I got to keep looking at the camera. Okay, so this is what I like to do. As in the old example over here, you put an arrow first, you're going to times your whole number to your denominator. So you put an arrow, then you put times, so you know 5 times 4, it's going to be 20. So you're going to get 20. Then after that, you're gonna go get the total, and this is the total over here. So you're gonna have 20 plus 1. So after that, you're gonna plus 1. Then always remember, your denominator is always gonna be the same as your mixed fraction. So it's gonna be 21 over 4. And that's your answer.
Half day, my name is Christine Uy from class MA 097. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to write an improper fraction into a whole or mixed number. My example is 19 over 6. First divide and write the quotient. So it will be 6, 19. And then you multiply 3 to 6. So it will be 18. And subtract it. After finding the remainder, you write the quotient as a whole number, which is 3, and the remainder as your numerator and your denominator. And that's it. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to find the prime factorization. Prime number is a natural number that is greater than 1. So my example is 460. Now what I like to do is separate them and divide them by 2. You have to divide 416 divided by 2 is 208. And then you go on, which is, this is divisible by 2. So 208 divided by 2 is 104. And 104 is still divisible by 2, so you divide it by 2, which is 52. And 52 is still divisible by 2, so you just still divide it by 2, which becomes 26. And 26 is still divisible by 2, which is... No, 13 is not divisible by 2, therefore we stop there. So how do you know if you got the correct answer? I will show you. So we got 5 2s and 1 13. 416 equals 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 times the last number, which is not divisible by 2, is 13. So what I like to do, and it's easier for me, is that I do this. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 4 8 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Now 13 times 32 is 416. That's how you check if you got it correct. So therefore, the prime factorization of 416 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 13. There you go.